to my channel, and today I'm gonna test out the Dreame L10S Ultra Vacuum Cleaner. It's my first time ever owning such a product and I love it so much. Cannot wait to tell you guys. Let's go! Firstly, we have the Silverion Sterilization. The L10S Ultra features a silver ion sterilization system that not only cleans your floors but also disinfects the water it used for mopping. Self-emptying? Cleaning a vacuum cleaner can be such a hassle, oh my god, tell me about it. But the L10S Ultra makes it incredibly convenient. With its self-emptying features, it gives me up to 60 days of automatic hands-off cleaning, and all I have to do now is just to throw the bag away. Hot air drying. The L10S Ultra is equipped with a hot air drying features that dries the mop pads after a cleaning session. The temperature has been increased to shorten the drying time, and the airflow has been optimized to increase the efficiency of the process. Obstacles avoidance. The L10S Ultra is equipped with 3D structured light, which detects the shape and distance of objects, and the RGB cameras, which helps the AI recognize different household obstacles, such as tables or chairs. Auto water refill and draining. The L10S Ultra takes the hassle out of maintaining your mopping routine. The robot's water tank is filled by the base station to constantly wet the mop pads for efficiency and adds Dreame solution for mopping. With the water hookup kit, you do not need to manually refill and empty your robot vacuum water tanks anymore. Refilling and draining of water is fully automated now. Remote video supervision. I'm able to remotely control the L10S Ultra in the Dreame Home app. It allows me to play my voice through the L10S Ultra in real time. Let's go 5 Bad driving. Hi, Wee. Hi, Wee. Okay, there's feedback right now because I'm in the house. Wee, yeah. There's also a pet feature when the vacuum cleaner scans for potential pet accidents around the house, which is brilliant if your pet isn't potty trained. So, what do you think? Are you sold yet? Because I feel like I am. I feel like it's very important to have a vacuum cleaner at home. You know, you can save a lot of time, you can save your relationship. I mean, like, who want to come home after a long day of tiring work and clean and mop the house? With this baby, with a click of a button, you can just do everything, and it's very efficient, it's very thorough. So far, my parents, you know, especially my mom, after she cooks the oily floors and all that, she feel like it did like a very good job. So if you want to get this baby, you can visit this link over here at Dreame's Singapore official shop on Shopee, and you can use my code to get $120 off. Let's go! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like and comment down below and let me know what you want to watch next.